Hey guys, so I figured I'd carry on. I'm gonna do Waterfall Hunters episode whatever it is. I don't know, I'll put it in the title. I was visiting some amazing friends in Bowness this morning, and as Bowness is basically halfway from Okotoks to Golden, BC, I'm gonna go there, look at some waterfalls. It's supposed to be really rainy, so it's not great for hiking, but it's great for waterfalls.
With your shaking hands, your wounds wide open, I won't desert you. We can't pass the time. Counting the seconds, let it go by, let it go by, let it go by.
Well, I've done this waterfall before, but I've never done it with this much water. That's why I came here today, and I'm going to show you a big waterfall with a lot of water.
Let it go by, 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 let it go, till we reach the other side.
Give you my waterfall smile. Well, that was pretty special. That was a lot of water going down the falls there. I've always kind of wanted to see it in those kind of conditions. Alberta is expecting potential flood season that could match 2013. So it might be a great year for waterfall hunters.
Start to fade. Let it go by, let it go by, let it go by, let it go by, let it go by.
Tunnel. So I have a little bit of bad news. Takaka Falls, the road is still closed right now. I didn't bring my hiking gear, so I can't really get up to it. I might come back to that one. It's closed because there's still avalanche risk in the area. But I am going to go check out the Kicking Horse River. There's also Waterfalls, which is on that river, which I'll probably check out tomorrow. So maybe do a little bit more exploring on this video and then cut it short, and then we can open up for another episode for tomorrow's adventures.
Till we reach the other side.
So it's behind a fence, a pretty good cascade of waterfalls. Waterfall smile, Sherbrooke Creek.
Other side.